How to use GGives and Grabfood. Now, before you go ahead and add any food or to your cart from Grabfood, what you want to do first is to access your Gcash account. Now, just log in on your Gcash using your four-digit PIN, and then in here you should be able to find four options at the top, which is going to be Wallet, Save, Borrow, and Grow. Now, under Borrow, just simply choose on GGives. Now, GGives may not be available for everyone, but if it's going to be available for you, then just simply transfer your GGives directly to your Gcash wallet. Now, once you have transferred it successfully, go back to your GrabFood, place any order to the cart, and then just simply choose on the payment method in which indicating your Gcash or e-wallet account. And that's it. That's how you use GGives in GrabFood.